Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's tour review, we're going to be looking at a Klein Tools KNECT adapter set. This is the 6.5 KADP. Going to run you about 15 bucks. I bought mine on Amazon, and this is the second of the adapter kit set that they've came out with for their KNECT system. The first one, I can't remember what the part number was, but it had two very important pieces to the puzzle, a KNECT S to KNECT M, and then a KNECT M to KNECT S adapter. So that way, if you had either one of those two sets, maybe you wanted to use a bigger ratchet, maybe you want to use a smaller screwdriver. This adapter kit also, I think, was $15. Very important, I think, for most people who are in KNECT. This one just depends on how you use your KNECT system, and this one is also really only for KNECT M. So if you've only got the KNECT S starter kit, this one's not going to be as useful for you. But 4 pieces, 3/8 square drive right here, 1/2 inch square drive here, and then there are impact sockets as far as adapters to allow you to use your sockets. I'll show you like on flex head ratchets, impact wrenches, those kinds of things like that. Here is the back of the package if you want to check that out. But now let me go ahead and get it out of the package. I'll show you where you can use it, and then you can decide if it's helpful for you. So now that I've got it opened up, let's go ahead and look at all 4 pieces. The first one you have is a 3/8 drive up here on the top to KNECT M here. You actually probably already have one of these. There's one in the essential set. You can see 3/8 drive, KNECT M on the bottom. I'm sure there's one in the complete set as well. And what this allows you to do is essentially use your ratchet and not have to use like these. So if you need like a deep well or something along those lines, if something's not working out right in your setup using these, maybe you've got a 1/4 inch that's down somewhere deep, you got to use a deep well 1/4 inch socket. You can put this inside of your ratchet and then use like a 3/8 drive, whatever socket you want to use, put that on there. It just allows you a little bit more flexibility of the ratchet, also the screwdriver, whatever else takes the KNECT M. Allows you to use your regular sockets, but again, that's not a new piece. You've already got one of those. And then the other piece is a 1/2 inch drive to KNECT M, but this is also 3/8 right here. So you can kind of use this as an extension if you want to. So you can take and put that onto my 3/8 stubby over here and then swap over and go to 1/2 inch sockets. Like this is a 1/2 inch drive socket. Or again, same thing, you can take and put this in your ratchet and run 1/2 inch sockets now in this ratchet if you needed to. So it allows even a little bit more flexibility. Before I could use 3/8 sockets, now I can even move up to 1/2 inch sockets. I don't think this is a piece that's in any of the other sets, so I think that's actually a new piece. But I think the next 2 pieces are the ones that most people are probably going to buy this set for. So it is KNECT M, or it's actually like 3/8 drive to KNECT M right here, and then 1/2 inch drive to KNECT M right here. So that's going to allow you to use all your KNECT M sockets. So like if I wanted to run a 5/8 socket right here, I can take this, slide that down into that right there, and now I have a 5/8 socket onto a 3/8 adapter. So I can take this, move this over onto my 3/8 stubby right here, and now I've got my 5/8 on there. But then not only that, like you don't really have a flex head option yet for any of these. So if I have a 3/8 drive flex head ratchet like my gear wrench here, I can now kind of put that on there, and it still allows you to kind of get the pass-through effect. It's not so much like it's a deep well, but it still is like you have the hollow space until you get to wherever your drive is on your ratchet. So it just basically allows you a little bit more flexibility to use your sockets in your socket set, the KNECT M sockets, with something like a flex head ratchet, something with a 3/8 stubby or something like that over here. Take this back off. Now what you're going to get into, same thing as I've always said in the other million videos of the KNECT stuff. This is nice that you can now do this with the flex ratchet with this, but as with all the KNECT stuff, it just depends on what you end up running into. Because for instance, if I needed a 1/4 inch, that's a lot bigger of a deep well socket than if you went into my toolbox over here and got a 1/4 inch socket. It's going to be this size all the way down. So really for the wide open spaces, I think that's what all this KNECT stuff's for. Like if you're a person who works in confined spaces, sticking stuff down into holes and things like that, the KNECT stuff's not really a great set for that in my opinion anyways. But again, if you are running this like I do, I install TVs, all kinds of things with my set right there. It is basically just another option to be able to use some different tools now with these 2 adapters. So again, you've got a 1/2 inch drive here, which I don't have like my 1/2 inch high torque out here. So let's say we've got that 1/2 inch right there. Now I'm going to go with this, put that on there, and then now I can use my KNECT M on something that was a 1/2 inch, like a high torque or something like that. You could still use it with that. And in fact, you could probably, let me see if I can get this out. If this is maybe could use this. Yeah, so you could even use this if you didn't have one of these adapters. I could go from my 3/8 to a 1/2 inch, and then take the 1/2 inch drive and do that. I'm going to use my Connect M, but I don't know why you'd really need to do that, because that right there is going to do the same exact thing, unless you just needed like a little bit more of an extension. So again, basically it's allowing you to use your Connect M, has to be Connect M, not Connect S, sockets with other things that have a 1/2 inch drive and 3/8 drive, whether that's a stubby like this Milwaukee here, whether it's a flex head ratchet, or whatever other tool you use that has a 3/8 or 1/2 inch drive. That's what these allow you to do. And then those other two adapter pieces basically allow you to use your Connect M tools, whether it's a ratchet, screwdriver, or whatever, with your regular sockets. So one allows you to use your Connect sockets with regular tools, and the other two allow you to use your Connect tools with regular sockets. But there you go, guys. There is the Klein Tools adapter set, the 65K ADP, 15 bucks on Amazon. Again, if you're in Connect M, maybe you bought like the complete set or something along those lines, you want to use your flex head ratchets, you want to use an impact wrench, might be a very useful kit for you. And then for those of you who are not in Connect M, maybe you've only got the starter kit, it's kind of a not so useful set right now. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think about it. If you're going to pick it up, if it's something that you've been waiting for, drop that in the comments below as well. If you've got any questions, make sure and do the same. As always, I hope this video was helpful. You guys stay safe, have a blessed day. I'll see you in the next video.